Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a flip through of the first signature of my glue book that I've been playing in. I added a couple of things to the cover here, and it is 3 signatures, and I do skip around, but most of the first signature is done, so I thought I would do a flip through of it. I added these handles here. I watched a video by Lori Marie Jenkins, and she added them to hers, and I thought they were so cute that I promptly went and grabbed a paper bag and painted the handles and put some in mine. Here is the first page. I have a few supplies in here that I keep. Sometimes if I'm out in the living room and I'm working, I'll use stuff from there. Here is this page. I made it kind of like a black and white theme, and I sewed these buttons on here. A couple of them I ended up gluing down because they were wobbly. Here is all about the letter H and animals. I have a lot of different size pages in here too. I think it's kind of fun. Sometimes I'll do like 1.5 pages, and sometimes I'll do a double spread. Here is just some receipts and business. That's my business card, and I just put that on the edge. I can't help but decorate too. It just makes me happy. You know what? It doesn't matter. It's my journal or my glue book, so I could do what I want. Here is a page. I just put some random things on. I did a little stabilo around here and glued this pretty key on. Here's a receipt from a purchase. We can all see where that came from. Here is cats. I just had a bunch of cat things that I glued onto here. There's stickers and magazine pages and things like that. And then here is a page that is from the scavenger hunt that I'm doing, that I had to have paper dolls. And this page I didn't really do anything. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, I'm not sure. Here's some tags from clothing. Some different random things that I put on here. I think I did a journal with me, or a glue with me video on that a while back. Here is some pink things, some roses I decoupaged on there, just all kinds of randomness. And put a little paper flower on there, kind of sticks up. This page, I glued this flower arrangement, but I haven't done anything else. Then I cut this out of a magazine. I don't know what else I'll do there. Here is an Alice in Wonderland page. And then this is the page that I just got done. It's actually still drying the glue. It's a house and it has a tree in it and some flowers. This is some napkin right here. This is just some textured paper that I had. Here is a lot of like browns and different things. Kitty cat. I cut out the word power, explore, and some stamps and things like that. This page, I'll probably do some more work on this page. I just have this and this are 2 different magazine pages. Nothing much here, just glued that on. Here is just a cute random page that I did when I was just playing around. This is napkin behind there, and just some stickers and flowers and pictures. That's from my daughter's wedding. And a card, and then some other just random things, a claim check, a Lowe's receipt. Oh, from a red velvet bundt cake. I cut that off of the packaging. This is a coaster, UCF coaster. Nothing on that page. And then here is a piece of vintage receipt, a vintage postcard that I put on there. I thought they were cool. Just some stickers and an old couple of sticker packs. Probably 3 or 4 different sticker packs on this. Just sat down watching TV one day and threw them on there. Here is just kind of a fun page, and I went over it with like the black, the black ink, and I just kind of like went over it when I was done. Made it look kind of grungy. And that is it. And here's the back of that signature. It's got pink and lots of things I decoupage. And this, if you could see it here, this blue is actually a new stamp that I got. It's just some flowers with tall stems. It's really cool. I like it. But that is it. That's the first signature, and probably when I get closer to done with the second signature, I will go ahead and do a flip through of that one. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to see more, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you subscribe. Take care.